Okay, they're getting ready to go skydiving. Thumbs up, guys. Okay, so they're gonna go in, and Drake's doing 4 minutes, and Emma's doing 2, and Grant finked out. This is what they look like. See you later. This is Drake. And Drake's going up. And there he is. He's getting his instructions here. He's going to go up. Like clear up there. Oh my gosh. Look at him. Went up, up, up. Yep, went some bouncing. There we go. There he is. He's going up. Way up there. Yay, look at that. Yay, Drake. Just did it. And there you go. Drake's doing it for 4 minutes. So he's got the time in there. And he's going up. There he goes. Up to the tunnel. Alright, Drake. Good job. Oh, Emma, you're really going. You're a featherweight.
Yeah, she's a featherweight, is right.
Okay, arms together.
Chin up, she put her chin up. See?
There you go. Look at that. Good job. Whoop.
Uh-oh.
Did a little bounce.
She is. I think their younger ones are better relaxed.
She's flexible. Okay, he's going to take you up.
Woo!
All right.
Where's she at? Oh, there she is.
Oh, I told her she wasn't going clear up. She's going to be mad at Nana. That's okay.
Oh, I think she likes it. Don't you?
Yeah.
She looks like she's having a good time tonight.
Good job.